New trouble tonight for Hacienda Healthcare. Two state agencies report the facility failed to meet a deadline to hire a third-party management team to overlook current operations. ABC 15's Justin Becerra live outside that facility with more on this. And Justin, the governor, not pretty upset about this.
He is very upset about this, Steve. You know, we thought that this was all buttoned up, that this company based in Indiana, a third-party company, was going to be coming in here to Hacienda to basically run the place. Well, today we found out that is not the case. The company is not here. Like we said, Governor Doug Ducey also finding out today while he was at an unrelated press conference, and I can tell you that he is not happy about this news. So here's how this all played out the last couple of weeks. The healthcare facility did not have a choice to have this third party come in and run the place. The state told them that it had to happen after a patient here with severe intellectual disabilities was sexually assaulted and then gave birth. Now, the state gave Hacienda deadlines to find a third party to run the facility. At the end of January, Hacienda and Benchmark Human Services announced that they had an agreement and that company based in Indiana would take over. Well, today those two state agencies say the deal did not go through. Governor Doug Ducey, who already was pretty critical about how this whole ordeal was playing out, talked to us today.
The third-party manager was agreed to by Hacienda, and it was not optional. So I'm working with state agencies so that we can take the most aggressive action possible. Our number one concern is for the patients that are inside Hacienda Healthcare. Some of them have been there for decades.
Well, the governor has already called for every board member here at Hacienda to step down. That has not happened, but we did get a comment today from Hacienda. It said that Hacienda was unable to reach a final contract with Benchmark in the short time frame imposed as the vetting process was still underway. We will continue to do everything in our power to keep our patients safe, to make sure they get the best possible medical care, and to comply with directives issued by the state of Arizona. We can tell you that the state gave Hacienda until the end of the week to, in writing, outline how they plan to comply. Steve?
Yeah, I'll have to develop here. Thanks so much, Justin. And as for that suspect at the center of all of this, Nathan Sutherland pleading not guilty in court today. The former nurse accused of impregnating a severely disabled woman. He's charged with sexual assault and abuse. You'll remember Sutherland voluntarily surrendered his nursing license last month. He'll be back in court next month.
Tonight we're